Today's recipe is gingerbread loaf. Okay, we're going to start with our butter and some sugar. And we're going to cream this all together. Now make sure your butter is softened. This will make it much easier. This is a great recipe to do for the holidays, for a treat in the mid-afternoon with a cup of coffee. So we're just creaming this together till it is all incorporated and it is fluffy. You can do this in a stand-up mixer as well. Now we're going to add our egg and our vanilla. And we're just going to beat that all together. Scrape down the sides. Then we're going to add some unsweetened applesauce. And then we're going to beat this until it all comes together. Now this recipe is very similar to the gingerbread loaf that you might find in the Starbucks. Now we're going to set aside the butter mixture and we're going to sift together our dry ingredients. So we'll put in our flour. And then we'll add our salt and our baking soda, our nutmeg, cloves, cinnamon, and ginger. And we're just going to sift that all together. And then we're going to slowly add this to our wet ingredients. And I just use a spatula to just stir it in together. Keep adding your flour mix. We're going to keep doing this until we do not see any more flour. Now once we've got this all mixed together, we're going to add our crystallized ginger pieces that I've chopped up and just give that a stir in the batter. Now we're going to get our loaf pan that I've already sprayed, and we're just going to add the batter to this. And once we've got that all in there, we're just going to spread it around evenly inside the pan. And then this will go in our oven that we have preheated at 350 degrees. And you'll want to bake this for about an hour, but go and check on it at 45 minutes. And you want it cooked until a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. Now you're going to let this cool down. And then we're going to make our frosting. So we have some softened cream cheese and some vanilla. And we're going to beat this up together. Then we're going to add our powdered sugar. Add a little bit at a time, otherwise you're going to have a big cloud of sugar. Please see the full recipe in the description down below. And once we've added all of that, we add some orange rind, and now we're just going to frost this. You're going to put on a thick layer, but if you don't want too much frosting, you can put on less. Enjoy. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Here are 2 more of my videos you may be interested in. Thanks for watching.